welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about the hierarchical inheritance. So, what is a hierarchical inheritance? First, let me write the hierarchical inheritance here. Hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So, what is a hierarchical inheritance? Hierarchical inheritance means there will be one parent class. From one parent class, we will inherit more than one child class. That means, in simple example, you can say that a parent has two children. That is called the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, now let me show you an example. Suppose first I write class parent. Okay, class parent done. Def function 1. Here I should write self. You all know why to write self. Then what I have to do? Print I am parent. I am parent of childs. That's it, done. Okay. Now what should I do? I should write here class child 1 because I already said a parent has two childs. A parent class and there will be two child class. So class child 1. Okay. First child. Def func2 self. Now what should I write here? Print I am child 1. I'm sorry, my laptop got hanged. Sorry for that. I am child 1. Okay, that's it. I am child 1. Now we already said the child will inherit his parent. So here I will write parent because we already discussed the definition. We already discussed the definition, right? So the child will inherit the parent. That's it. Okay. So now what should we do? We should now do here. Then another child will be created. Child 2. So let me do here child 2. And let me do here font 3. And let me change it to I am child 2. Right? That's it, done. Now we have to obj1. Now object declaration. Obj1 equals to child 1. That's it. Obj2 equals to child 2. Done. Now obj1 dot fun1. Why function 1? Because see, child 1 has already inherited his parent, so function 1 is also related to child 1. That's why we are using obj1 dot function 1. Now obj2, no sorry, first I will do the obj1 only part. Obj2 dot func2. Done. Now it's time for the obj2 what? Obj2 dot fun1. Why fun1? Because the child 2 has also inherited his parent, so all the parent functions will come in child 2 also. And now the final thing, obj2 dot function 3. Obj dot function 3. That's it. So now let's run the program. See, it's showing perfectly. I am the parent of child, then I am child 1. I am the parent of child, then I am child 2. Okay. So we are calling two childs. See, the object is created for two childs, and hierarchical inheritance rather you can say that, means one parent and two child class. Simple. Just remember this. There will be one parent and two child class. Simple way to remember. And the child, both the child will inherit his parents. Okay. Simple way to remember. So by this, we end this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, just comment. I will obviously reply. So stay safe, stay healthy.